Yes, we have been told of the things to do to extend our life here on earth, right? Like eating vegetables, avoiding oil-rich food, avoiding smoking, not drinking too much of alcohol. Yes, but nobody have ever mentioned that this little thing can also extend your life on this earth. That sounds funny, right? You see, this thing you see, we say is toothpick, right? Toothpick. Huh? It does not, it's not only, most people actually think it's for removing stock food, trying to make your teeth clean. But that is not just all it does. This little thing can actually help to improve your life. Now, how does it work? When food gets stuck in your mouth, if you don't take it away, what happens is that over time, if that practice continues to happen and happen and happen over time, it's going to cause inflammation right on your gum area. Why is that so? There are billions of bacteria right inside your mouth. So anytime they find anything to feast on, any leftover food to eat on, they eat it up and do what? Discharge elements, some byproducts. And as they do that, it's going to cause some level of inflammation right on your gums. And over time, because the body system, the blood vessels are all connected, right? Over time, as those inflammation begin to happen right around your mouth and your gum, is going to start drilling down into the other parts of the system. You see, it's like when you have a trash bin that you have in your house. If you don't take it out every day, this is what this toothpick does. Over time, that trash bin will begin to smell and the whole house will be what? Infested with bacteria. So all you need to do is to get it out every day. So that is exactly what this does. So if you don't get it out, the bacteria feast on the food, they leave byproducts, causing inflammation. Those inflammation begin to leak into your body system, right? And how does inflammation impact the body? Doctors will tell you that inflammation are like a slow fire, that small little candle. If left unchecked, can actually burn the whole house down, right? So that is how inflammation is. It starts very slow, it's harmless the first few years, but over time, if left unchecked, it's going to multiply, it's going to increase, it's going to spread around the body, and that is the cause of many, many other diseases. Heart problem, diabetes, hypertension, even cancer. And so, the number one deal is to do your best. If you are sick, do your best to control inflammation, because that is the fire that actually erupts the entire body to make it sick. And this little thing can contribute to that little inflammation that starts very small without control. Okay? So this flossing looks so common, right? It looks as if it doesn't matter. Take for example, if for example you are told to save $1 a day, right, to build wealth. The first day you save $1, $2, it doesn't really make any sense. But over time, you will find that you have actually saved a lot of money. That is what this does. The first few days or months or weeks, it might not matter. But over time, it might actually help to add some years to your life. So let me know in the comment section what you think about this little thing we call floss or toothpick. See you again soon. I remain your pharmacist.